All right, let's consider the magnitude and modulus of a vector. What is the magnitude or modulus of a vector? The magnitude of a vector is the length or size of the vector. The length or size of the vector. It can be found using Pythagoras theorem. All right, so if we have vector A and vector A is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and we are asked to find the magnitude of vector A. The magnitude of vector A is denoted as this. So this is the magnitude of vector A. It is equal to, so if we apply Pythagoras theorem here, we would have, you have to square the coefficient of I, add it to the square of the coefficient of j, and add it to the square of the coefficient of k. The coefficient of I is x, so we have x raised to power 2 plus the coefficient of j is y, so we have y raised to power 2, and then plus the coefficient of k is z, so we have z raised to power 2. All right, so let's take a proper example. We have here vector A is equal to 6i plus 7j plus 8k. And we are asked to find the magnitude of vector A. How do we go about it? So the magnitude of vector A, denoted as this, is equal to the square root of, now we are going to pick the coefficient of I and square it. So the coefficient of I is 6. We have 6 raised to power 2 plus the coefficient of j is 7. So we have 7 raised to power 2, and then plus the coefficient of k is 8. So we have 8 raised to power 2. So therefore, magnitude of vector A is equal to 6 raised to power 2 is 36 plus 7 raised to power 2 is 49, and then plus 8 raised to power 2 is 64. So magnitude of vector A is equal to 36 plus 49 plus 64 gives us 149. So therefore, the magnitude of vector A is equal to square root of 149. So this is our final answer. All right, so let's take another example. If vector x is equal to 8i minus 3j, and we are asked to find the magnitude of vector x, how do we go about it? The magnitude of vector x, denoted as this, is equal to square root of, the coefficient of I is 8, so we have 8 raised to power 2 plus the coefficient of j is negative 3, so we have negative 3 raised to power 2. There is no k in this context, so we have a magnitude of vector x is equal to eight raised to power 2 is 64, and then plus negative 3 raised to power 2 is 9. So we have here the magnitude of vector x is equal to 64 plus 9 is 173. It is 173. Alright, so since 173 does not have a perfect square root, we are going to leave our answer in this format. So therefore, the magnitude of vector x is equal to square root of 173. Alright, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now, and also ensure you like this video. If you also have a question, please kindly leave your question in the comment section of this video. See you in our next class.